Hello and welcome to this edition of JagNews. I'm Daniela Harris.
And I'm Kaylin Dockel. It's that time of year again as Augusta University hosts the annual Augusta Gives. Here's Emily Bonham-James with the story.
That's right. Augusta University's biggest day of giving is back. Many students attend Augusta University on scholarships and grants. But have you ever wondered where they come from? The annual online give-a-thon, Augusta Gives, has returned for a fifth year. On March 19th, community, alumni, and friends were encouraged to make donations throughout the day to assist with scholarships and research.
It's really just trying to rally everyone together during that hour to give back, and typically there's a matching gift. So say a college gets the most donors during that hour, there will be a matching gift of $1,200 of what was already raised during that time.
I visited the Office of Philanthropy and Alumni Engagement, where the team is busy all day receiving donations, making social media posts, and writing thank you cards for donors. Kelly Schulte, Director of Annual Giving, says the campaign is largely crowdfunded.
700 of the gifts that we got in last year were $100 or less. So it's something that everybody can get behind because those $5 and those $10 gifts really do add up.
The impact of this campaign affecting 17 different areas of the college can be immeasurable.
For individuals like myself who have a graduate assistantship, I probably would not be able to go to grad school without this job right now. If the community gives to Augusta University helps give back to the community in the form of new workers, more educated individuals, and eventually build up the community as a whole. I think that's why it's important.
This year's Give-a-thon was extremely successful, raising over $658,000 with 872 donors overall. Don't worry if you missed the window this year. There is always time to give back at www.augusta.edu/giving/give.php. This year's Augusta Gift proves once again that every donation, big or small, can make a lasting impact. And if you missed the window, there's still time to give. Once again, visit www.augusta.edu/giving/give.php to support the cause year-round.
Thanks for that story, Emily. I know so many upcoming students will benefit from the Give-a-thon, and I cannot wait to see what's coming.
Next up, reporter Maxwell Schaefer gives us some insight on the Mad Potters organization's spring ceramic sale.
Students at Augusta University recently turned their passion for pottery into an opportunity for both artistic expression and financial support. The Mad Potters annual spring ceramic sale showcased their handcrafted work while helping fund future projects. The Mad Potters annual ceramic sale in the JSAC was more than just an art showcase. It was an opportunity for students to share their work with the public and get a chance to expand their skills. From mugs and bowls to intricate vases, each piece was handcrafted by students who spent hours perfecting their work. And for many, this sale was more than just a chance to sell. It was a stepping stone for their future.
It's a fun thing to do, and you can make a couple of bucks at it, each semester if you are so inclined.
For students, this event is a chance to showcase their hard work, but for the program itself, it's a crucial source of support and a way to engage with the community.
Some ceramic and sculpture majors. It is a kind of a community outreach or engagement to the rest of the campus as, like you can see here, students of different disciplines talking to each other about what we do in the ceramics lab, and encourages others to pursue creative endeavor, stay creative, exchanging ideas.
With unique pieces and a worthy cause, the Mad Potters Spring Ceramic Sale was a win-win for both students and the community. The sale attracted many eager buyers, and with items selling quickly, they hope you found a one-of-a-kind treasure. This event was such a great way to support young artists while taking home a unique piece of art. The sale was a huge success, and students are already looking forward to next year's event. Back to you.
What a great way to display the creative outlook Augusta University students and share their passions for art.
Our next story provides important information on what AU is doing to prevent and prepare for violent events on campus. Reporter CM Wall tells us more.
In recent years, Augusta has seen an increase of gun violence in our community, especially among young people. To raise awareness on campus and prevent potential conflicts, the university has implemented events, trainings, and departmental plans to ensure faculty and students are prepared for such an emergency.
Last month,
AU hosted a conversation on gun violence in the CSRA where a panel representing AU Police, Richmond County Sheriffs, and MCG shared info on gun laws, safety, statistics, and misconceptions.
And so I actually feel that question as a member of AAPD on a regular basis about whether or not I can carry on campus. And the answer is yes, but there's a big giant asterisk with lots of exceptions.
Exceptions in place to prevent gun violence on campus. Host Dr. Kim Davies shared how AU prepares in case of such an event.
They have trainings here that help prepare us if one does happen, which is very important. If there were to be one, if we're prepared, it's likely to have fewer casualties or maybe no casualties.
A goal that Joseph Weber, director of the Office of Critical Event Preparedness and Response, works every day to make a reality.
We want to make sure that we do everything we can ahead of time on those blue sky days when we have the luxury of time to make sure that we all understand what it is that we need to do in the event that we have to react.
Weber believes that trainings with AEDs and Stop the Bleed kits will turn bystanders into first responders until the true first responders arrive.
In order to really be effective and have good emergency management, we need everyone to understand that there's personal responsibility that must be incorporated into all of our individual plans. That way, when things do happen, we have a better coordinated response.
The mission of the Office of Critical Event Preparedness and Response is to reduce the disruption of services and prevent loss of life with multiple strategies for all types of emergencies. To learn more about what they do, you can visit www.augusta.edu/CPAR, spelled CEPAR.
Resources like gun preparedness are so important and should definitely be taken advantage of. Speaking of resources, coming up next, we're diving into how to acquire affordable housing into the Augusta area.
And later on, we'll fill you in on upcoming events to the Augusta area that are sure to get you out and about. Stay tuned.
Welcome back to this edition of JagNews. I'm CM Wall.
And I'm Nayla Reese. Finding affordable housing in Augusta area isn't always easy, but one program is helping residents secure a place to call home. Reporter Andrew Chalker tells us more.
Affordable housing can be hard to come by, especially here in Augusta, but I spoke with one student who found a program that can help with that. With the semester drawing to a close and finals being right around the corner, stress is at an all-time high.
The process itself was, turn back the block makes it as easy as possible, and it's a really great program.
Mason Nasworthy is a student who recently bought a home on Battle Row in downtown Augusta under the Turn Back the Block program, which he claims has relieved his stress.
They make things very easy, and they're very supportive and helpful the whole way through, even if you don't really know what you're doing.
He says that this wasn't an easy decision, but after learning about their mission, he was sold.
Just taking a ride down any of these neighborhoods that they're working on, you'll see houses that look brand new and look very good.
Turn Back the Block takes homes that are in need of repair and renovation and turns them into something one of a kind.
You can see the clear difference day and night, and they're doing a lot of good work. It's really good craftsmanship, even though these are new constructions. It's something kind of hard to come by these days.
And one of the biggest selling points of the home was that it was affordable.
Yeah, and it's very affordable. There are a lot of different options.
Some worry about where the homes are located and stress that safety is an issue.
People think, some of these areas down here are dangerous or that they're not nice, but a community is only what you make it, and we've had no problem down here.
With a place to call his own and a community he believes in, Mason is just happy to have found some stability during this stressful time. To find out more information about the Turn Back the Block program, just visit their website at www.turnbacktheblock.com.
It's great to see a program helping people, especially students, find affordable housing right here in Augusta.
For sure, and it's encouraging to know there's a program like Turn Back the Block making a real difference.
The Augusta Saturday Market is not only a great place to shop, but it's also become a go-to spot for students to unwind and enjoy a break from their busy schedules. Reporter Kaylin Dockel visited the market to find out how it's helping students decompress and enjoy some local flair.
The Augusta Saturday Market isn't just a spot to shop.
It's become a weekend escape for students looking to relax, recharge, and connect with the community. I stopped by to see how this local favorite is helping students take a break from their busy routines. The Augusta Saturday Market is a local favorite, bringing together fresh food, homemade goods, and a space for students to relax and connect with the community. I spoke with several vendors, including Elizabeth Lewis, an Augusta student who works at a lemonade stand with her family and friends.
I love how diverse it is, how many there's so many different drinks, food, products that you can buy. It's really cool. And the amount of people that you meet here is crazy. I think there's a very chill vibe here. You can just get away from the stress of school.
For students like Elizabeth Lewis, the Saturday Market is more than just a place to shop. It's a way to take a break from school, support local businesses, and connect with the Augusta community, as well as a weekend escape. I also spoke with another vendor, Mira Valencia, who owns Mira's Creations, a local bakery that also works closely with the multicultural student engagement at Augusta University.
Okay, the multicultural student engagement, which I had met Victoria. She's an amazing person. We've been doing it since the last market, and it's been a great partnership, and it's one of our first major partnerships that we ever had, catering or, getting cookies for for AU.
Mira hopes more AU students stop by the market, which is a fun way to unwind and take a break from school. This market is open every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The Augusta Saturday Market offers more than just local goods. It's a place where students can relax, recharge, and reconnect with the community. So if you're looking for a break from school, grab some friends and go check it out.
It's great to see the Augusta Saturday Market providing such a relaxing and fun place for students to unwind.
Absolutely. And after the break, we'll take a look at this nearly completed Forest Hills campus renovations, where students are eagerly anticipating the exciting changes.
Welcome back to JagNews. I'm Kaylin Dockel.
And I'm Emily Bonham-James. Students at Augusta University aren't just here to get a degree. They're here to build a business. Young entrepreneurs on campus are learning some of the ways to turn their passions into profit. Our reporter, Daniela Harris, will tell you more.
Students here at Augusta University are turning their passions into businesses. From handmade pens and dog treats to haircuts and clothing items, students with small businesses are craving opportunities to showcase their work on campus. Luckily, a Student Entrepreneur Expo, designed by a Leadership 2000 course, gave them the opportunity to do just that. Leadership 2000, a course taught by Dr. Elizabeth Huggins, put on Augusta University's first ever Student Entrepreneur Expo. The expo was designed for Augusta University students who were looking to gain exposure to their personal small businesses or side hustles. Lena Gerard, a student in the course, tells more of how this event came to be.
So the Leadership 2000 class was tasked to put on an event that would basically be like a class project for our semester. And we chose to do a Student Entrepreneur Expo. So all these students are entrepreneurs who have either small businesses or side hustles, and they get to network with each other, they get to table and showcase what they do, and just get the word out about who they are.
By having the space to table, the owners of these businesses were able to talk directly to students, hand out business cards, and even sell goods and services on the spot. This is an important opportunity for these students because there aren't many opportunities for them to showcase their businesses on campus.
So we thought it was really important for students to have the opportunity to do networking on campus because some student businesses don't really have that chance to showcase on campus. So we really wanted to give them a chance to network with other businesses and kind of learn best practices and just be here on campus.
And through this event, Leadership 2000, in partnership with Augusta University Student Government Association, has worked to ensure that this opportunity will continue to be available each semester. If you are a student with a small business, keep an eye out for the next Entrepreneur Expo. And if you attended this event, don't forget to fill out the feedback survey in your inbox to help make this event even better for the semesters to come.
Thanks for that, Daniela. Leadership 2000 sounds like a great opportunity for students.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, in other news, some big changes are coming to Augusta University's athletic program.
That's right. The Christenberry Fieldhouse is getting a new look soon and it's nearing completion. Our Naila Reese will tell you more.
Over the past several years, Augusta University has been making improvements in our athletics department. Big changes are coming to our Forest Hills campus as the renovation of the Christenberry Fieldhouse comes to a close. Augusta University began renovations of the Christenberry Fieldhouse back in 2023. It's 2025, and Jaguar Nation anxiously awaits the grand reveal of the Fieldhouse.
Absolutely. So the exterior renovation, we are getting to the final stages of it. We're being told it should be completed at the end of April. And the exterior right now, they're really focused on the front entrance, and they're bumping that out, and it's going to be a much grander entrance than what we had before, including a ticker with information, which is going to be really neat.
Urlacher wants to give the fans and students of Augusta University a sense of pride in our athletics community.
I think when you have an athletics program, an institution like ours, we need to have facilities that are some of the best in the NCAA. And I think whether it's a student athlete, a fan, a parent, whoever's coming in for games, you want to take a lot of pride in the space that we have to work with. So I think when we have a home athletics event, we want fans to be excited about when they walk into our facility, excited about what we have to offer. So I think it's going to add to the atmosphere, it's going to add to the overall environment, it's going to add to even more engagement at games.
Urlacher is looking forward to all of the celebrations to follow the opening of the Christenberry Fieldhouse.
I imagine we're going to have quite a few ribbon cuttings, probably on the outside, one for the weight room, one for the skybox as well.
Jaguar pride is what makes our athletics so special, so be sure to be on the lookout for more upcoming events to follow the grand reopening. For more information and to stay updated, you can follow the Instagram at Augusta Jags or visit online at augustajags.com.
Thanks for that, Nayla. When this is completed, this is going to be great for students in the athletics program.
Right, and that's all that we have time for JagNews. And I'm Kaylin Dockel.
And I'm Emily Bonham-James. Thanks for watching.